Now sum number 9. This is the unseen sum from second chapter, but if you read last line it is look like a third chapter AP, okay, but it is from second chapter only. If the sum of the roots of quadratic equation, this is a standard form of quadratic equation, is equal to sum of the square of their reciprocals. Now what is meant by reciprocal? Suppose phi is a number. What is the reciprocal of phi? 1 upon phi. And square means this square. 1 square also you can do, but 1 square 1 only. So it is like this condition. Number is the square of reciprocal. Is the square of reciprocal. Okay. So sum of the roots of the quadratic. We should know two formulae. What is two formulae? Alpha plus beta are the roots is minus b upon a, and alpha dot beta is equal to c upon a. These are the two important formulae. Okay, and then show that these three numbers are in AP. How we can show AP? AP is very simple. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11 are in AP. Yes, because difference is same. See, 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. So that will do afterwards. First we can solve these two lines. Sum of the roots is equal to sum of square of their reciprocal. Quadratic equation given, solution. Quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? It is a standard form. Ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Sum of the roots. So sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. So by given condition. What is condition given? Sum of the roots. That means alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta is called as a roots. Sum of the roots is equal to sum of square, is equal to sum, but which sum? Sum of square of their reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 upon alpha, 1 upon beta, but again square. So square. See, 1 square 1 only. That is why I am writing like this. Alpha. This is very important condition. This is given. These two lines is very important. We have to understand the sum of the roots of equation, that is standard form, is equal to sum of square of their reciprocal. Okay. Now we can use the formula. What is alpha plus beta formula? Minus b upon a formula. Here cross multiplication. That is beta square plus alpha square. Denominator multiplication. Here multiplication. Now alpha square beta square, we know the formula. Formula is there. Alpha square. See, beta square alpha square is nothing but alpha square beta square. One and the same thing. In addition, if you write 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, both answer is 8. Nothing, doesn't matter. So alpha plus beta square is nothing but beta square plus alpha square. So alpha square beta square formula is there. Formula I am writing here. Alpha square plus beta square formula is there. Alpha plus beta whole square minus. This is the formula. Okay. Now minus b upon a, alpha square beta square formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha square beta square. I can write in a one box. Alpha dot beta dot means multiplication. Dot means what? Multiplication. Okay. See, simple. So 2 square into 3 square is what? 4 into 9. 4 into 9, 36, na? Which is nothing but multiplication of 2, 3, then square. 2, 3 is a 6. 6 a square, 36. This is a mathematical steps. Okay. Minus b upon a. Alpha square beta square is nothing but again formula. Minus b upon a but whole square. Minus 2 alpha beta 2 ca upon here c upon a whole square minus b upon a is equal to square of minus plus. So b square upon a square minus 2c upon a, again division c square upon a square. Okay. Now here denominator is not same, we can make it equal. The remaining steps I am writing here. So minus b upon a is equal to, denominator make it equal, here a square, here a, so multiply here by a, so it will become b square a square, here multiply by a, so numerator also multiply by a, 2ca, बराबर, for making equal denominator, a multiply, so a square division by c square upon a square. Now you know mathematical steps, a square cancel, denominator cancel, minus b upon a, 2ca upon c square. Now cross multiplication, minus bc square a, b square minus ca, so minus bc square ab square minus 2ca square. Now take ca square this side, 2 minus will become plus, 2ca square is equal to ab square minus will become plus. Till here you stop. This is called statement number 1. We solve this. Now what they say, they show that they are in AP. So how we can show it is an AP? First write the number, 3 numbers, bc square, comma, ca square, comma. Assume this like a numbers. For example, 2, 5, 8. How we can say that it is AP if the difference is same? So next number minus previous number. Suppose they are in AP, then our statement and their statement should be same. So next number minus AP, there is T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So what is T2? CA square minus BC square is equal to T3 AB square minus CA square. Now take like term one side, CA square one side. So CA square minus will become plus CA square, and AB square as it is, this will become that side, PC square, 2CA square, 1. So yes, statement number 1 and statement number 2 both are equal. That means we prove. Therefore from 1 and 2, hence prove that BC square, CA square, AB square are in AP. हो गया प्रूफ, बराबर ना. Again I am repeating. Quadratic equation given, condition given, sum of the roots is sum of square of reciprocal. This is the unseen sum, sum of square. Then formula, then cross multiplication. What is alpha square, beta square? Alpha plus beta minus. This is formula. I am putting formula here. Then alpha beta minus b upon a, alpha dot beta c upon a. No sign means dot, multiplication. So alpha dot beta ca square, here also square, for making denominator same, multiply by a, denominator cancel, cross multiplication, open the bracket, here we can stop. Then take this part. Is they are in AP, how we can cross check? Next term minus previous term, बराबर ना. If difference is same, so difference is same, then this statement both are equal, so we prove. Okay, copy this.